Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. Today is a new day and I have come up with a new word for you in the series called Word of the Day. So, in this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. This series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Today's word is ramify. The meaning of the word ramify is to spread and develop many parts or branches. I repeat, the meaning is to spread and develop many parts or branches. Now, let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word ramify better with the help of that sentence. The sentence that is given to us says, an elaborate system of canals was built leading away from Thames and ramifying throughout the UK. So, ramifying here is being used as a verb and it means that this elaborate system of canals was spread and developed in many parts or branches throughout the UK. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word ramify. The synonyms can be bifurcate or arborize. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be connect or converge. Now, guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this word ramify better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड ramify को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was an elaborate system of canals was built leading away from Thames and ramifying throughout the UK. So sentence ये कह रहा है नहरों की एक विस्तृत प्रणाली बनाई गई जो थेम्स से दूर थी और पूरे ब्रिटेन में फैली हुई थी. I'll repeat. सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है नहरों की एक विस्तृत प्रणाली बनाई गई जो थेम्स से दूर थी और ब्रिटेन में फैली हुई थी. तो यहाँ पर रैमिफाइंग का मतलब है ब्रिटेन में फैला हुआ होना. So guys, we have used both the languages, English as well as Hindi, to understand this word ramify better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.